World Turtle Day is celebrated on May 23 each year, and was established by the American Tortoise Rescue in 2000. Tortoises and turtles are vulnerable animals around the world due to a variety of threats, including being hunted for food, having their habitats polluted, and being killed on roads, yet they are often overlooked in conservation efforts. World Turtle Day serves to raise awareness of these animals, and the problems they face. Turtles are often thought of as slow, lumbering creatures, that take their time to get anywhere. They are seen as a symbol for patience and persistence. In fact, the word turtle stands for, slow but steady. But these magnificent creatures can move quickly if needed, up to 6 miles per hour. A variety of events are held each year to celebrate World Turtle Day, including parades in cities across the world, schools and zoos holding educational events. Fun facts about turtles and tortoises. A tortoise is a turtle, but a turtle is not a tortoise. Turtles are found in the ocean and freshwater habitats, while tortoises live on land. Turtles and tortoises have exceptionally long lifespans, and often outlive their human companions. The earliest turtles date back to the time of dinosaurs, over 200 million years ago. Turtle shells are made up of over 50 bones, including their spine and rib cage. So join in the fun and celebrate this May 23rd.